This is not how this was packaged. I mean, I went underneath my house and I was like, what? This is basically a skate park under here. I actually need this from my backyard. I'm glad we got this.
Swanky.
It's not swanky yet. Nails. You're right. Just go with skateboard pieces, Aaron. Building is where all the injuries happen. Let me dig up some dirt on you.
Yeah, it's going all the way through.
No, it's not. All right, guys, we are very excited to present to you today this random giant box, which is very light. Every time there's something cool, somebody already opens it. This is not how this was packaged.
I swear. Literally,
so?
I swear.
Yeah. Nobody would do that.
See Amazon, yeah, it came from Amazon. It came from Amazon. Yes, this is something that we do. Yeah, absolutely.
They're like, okay, World Giantest box for what? This? And oh no, we can't. Uh-oh. Oh no, you know what we need is those bolts that pinch around the circle. The amount of setup fails we have
We have nothing in this warehouse.
I'll figure it out.
But we do have an Aaron.
I do build houses. If you need a house built, hit me up on aaronsHousebuilding.org. I mean, I went underneath my house and I was like, what? This is basically a skate park under here. For real. Why do I feel like I'm gonna stab myself with this? Blue's like so violent today.
How you doing, buddy? Oh yeah, look at your eyes.
What? This isn't even... Here, Daniel, hold that box up for me real fast. Oh! Wait, what's that guy's name? The guy that's underneath the ocean and he has this thing like this?
Poseidon?
Scepter?
Or
Aquaman!
We skate Poseidon's trident.
My life as Aquaman. I'll be watching out.
Oh my God.
Straight through the box and sparked on the other side.
I do not think Ollie's gonna want to chase this one. Dude, that was incredible.
I actually need this from my backyard. I'm glad we got this.
Oh!
Why? This is why we can't have nice things. So we're gonna skate this.
Yep.
I actually have an idea how to do this. For the first time in my, I don't know how to make it. Actually, yeah, I got a good idea.
You gonna put a board on it? Yeah, I was thinking 2x4, or I was thinking just put a deck on top and then put the screw into the deck.
We need to sharpen these up. That won't even break skin.
Shall we test it? Oh my gosh, Dan, you have a relic.
Toilet paper. That's a massive roll as well.
Forgot what that looks like.
Let's go, boy.
It's wide enough not to break in half.
If this actually works, I should literally get a Nobel Peace Prize. Daniel, hold that side, will you? Don't you worry your little head. I'm gonna go old fashioned on this. I'm gonna do some nails. We need to like really make this bad boy swanky.
What exactly does swanky mean?
It means this.
Ah.
Look at this sight right here.
No, I know.
Nails. Halfway through that, I was thinking maybe we shouldn't have used nails because it might split the wood. Did the wood split because I thought that, or did the wood just split because it split? Leave it in the comments below. Well,
Swanky.
It's not swanky yet. Good thing I accidentally cut an extra piece. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, 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 yeah. Do we put them? No, we try and go that way, right? In all my home building days, I've never had something so difficult. The world's worst shinner on my knee. Who would have known the injuries were gonna start so far? Leave it in the comments below if you think this is gonna work. Brutalize my knee. Yeah.
To be honest, I have no clue what you're doing here.
You don't?
Nope.
Yeah, there's probably a better way to do this. Maybe we cut a skateboard and we kind of...
Yeah.
There's actually bolts that you can get that I know that exist that just go like this.
Yeah, they're right there on the baseball bat.
Yeah.
Impossible to take off though.
I know, we just need to get a pair. Like that. You know what I mean?
Oh, I see.
But only... Oh no! Can you take this handle off? That really did hurt my knee. Is this gonna work?
I don't think so. Hello, Dan. Whoa. Dual welded.
Okay. Ow! Mother! 7 hours later. I mean, has anybody got a better idea?
Cut a skateboard in half.
We drill this one into that wood. Then we drill in like that.
Oh.
We might be limited with attempts, so but that's
Well,
just-
if you go small, screw in this one, there's a chance it'll work.
That's what you like to do is you take this skateboard while we skateboard. It is not too nice. You know it's not too nice. You try to bite this skateboard while we skateboard. I don't even know what this is, to be honest with you. I have no idea what that was.
All right, hold on to this, Mowgli. Oh my gosh. Oh, and then, you know, if we want to get even fancier, we're finally onto something. Wait, where'd the pitchfork go? Knock, knock, knock. Sorry, I just got that song in my head. I don't know what to say.
Wow.
Engineering. I mean, didn't totally work how I thought. Not the exact sizes, but it's close, mate.
Mowgli needs this to be perfect so he can take it down the 3 block.
Oh, 100%.
Is this the tail over here? I'm convinced that this is the tail.
Ow! Why do all the bad things happen to me? I just pinched my skin. I mean, you think taking it down the 3 block is the scary part. Building it's the scary. Building it's where all the injuries happen.
All I gotta say is you are a true temper. Truck's on backwards.
No! Rossi, why? We're driving perfection here. Are these nubs gonna bother you? Should I saw them off?
No, you're good.
Dang.
Okay.
Art is never finished, and you need to learn when to abandon it. That's what it is. And if you know where that's at, I'll Venmo you $1. Just DM me. First person. That's it. I don't think they'll know where I got that from.
Yeah, of course they will.
They ain't gonna know. They ain't gonna know.
Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Hey. All right, you're right. Just go with skateboard pieces, Aaron. Okay, I will. I will. Oh yeah, boy. It's also kind of cool that it's all skateboards. Last finishing touches. We get our skate on. Actually, that looks scary. Oh, metal grind it down. Good idea, Daniel.
Oh God.
Dang, Aaron. It's as if you've built houses your whole life. Isn't that just good? Anybody who wants a piece of this board, leave it in the comments below.
I don't think you need to grind the metal down.
Yeah, what do you mean? Oh wow, yeah, Daniel was right. It's turning a bit. We're making this driving perfection game.
It's gonna be so perfect that you only need 1 trick on it and then we can end the video.
Drill these on the bottom of it so the pitchfork doesn't move.
And then do we want to grip tape it?
You already gone this far.
Daniel, grab me that grip tape. You know, I'm thinking this is the tail, no? Hold on, watch yourself. Maybe we need to move it a little further back.
Almost there.
Good?
Perfection.
True temper, Gabe.
Dang. Dude, that is the most legit thing you have ever made.
Now we grip it. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven. So I just, you know, it's just too good. Came on the radio. That was pretty good. Hey, Blue, we're trying to film. Ooh, boy. When you grow up on a farm, but skate is life. Never cut toward yourself with a razor blade. That's what I learned. Oh boy! That's a go!
This is everything I ever wanted. I could dig dirt, and then I could get on my way and skate.
You ever see the movie Holes?
Stanley yelling that. Oh! Oh!
You said what, dude? You're throwing shade at me? Let me dig up some dirt on you. Got him! Best thing we've ever made and then some. Who's got the kickflip on this? We could try this. Is going down for sure. Watch out, my dog.
Oh, that is absolutely possible.
I hurt my knee building it. You got to take it over. Oh.
I'm terrified to try this one. I'm scared. That's scary. That's a scary kickflip.
Should I kickflip it?
Yep.
Austin, get my slow-mo.
Oh, yeah.
That almost stabbed me in the jugular.
Oh!
Can you imagine the Mad Max of skateboarding? You're just rolling down the street, just right into somebody. Man.
You got it.
It's so funny because where you land, there's literally, you can only have one spot for both feet. Look at that. One try, one land, one make. I want that $10 Venmo. Oh boy.
Oh.
Flipping so fast. You definitely got this down the 3 block. Ow! Did you see that?
Did it crush your toe?
It went through my leg. Right here, right now. Oh! Skateboarding Made Simple, Volume 1. Check this out. That looks so crazy. Look at that shot. Oh boy, let's go.
Oh!
Landing just like a little bit off to the side. I'm gonna move it back so when I land, I can really roll away. Going rocket. Actually way easier than expected. I think I'm gonna be able to actually catch it in the air. Thought I had that one. Full commitment. Maybe I need to go faster. No! Let's go, boy!
Yeah!
2 to make it true. It's the hardest thing I've ever done.
Who's got a drop in?
They roll around.
Yeah, feels good, feels legit.
Oh, the tails feels crazy.
The bump to bar? Not even a drop in? This guy. Are you sure you want to go straight to this?
I feel like I could do it. You want to do it?
No.
You want to do Ollie Manny?
No.
All right, let me try this then.
I want somebody to drop in.
Oh, first try?
If you land it right here, I'll Venmo you $5.
How is he getting on that?
Pitchfork board slide.
farming after this.
Dude, it looks so cool. You almost got credit carded. Even a mention of a credit card just makes him go giddy.
What you think?
It's doable for sure.
Just stand, just let me get a photo.
Stick that chest out.
I'm not gonna tag him just because that was so hard.
Are you kidding me?
That's good, right?
Dude, that was amazing.
All right, do you
And
want to
you missed it? Hey, Glow, hit this drop in. Dude, that was unreal.
Not bad. We should just start skating at all just tools. You guys got an idea for us to skate next? Leave it in the comments below.
Oh, Nigel!
Boy!
Whoa!
Do not stand right there. He went. Oh.
That was close.
Yeah, if he would have slipped out, I would have.
That was,
Thank you, Trey,
that was slightly scary.
That hurts my leg. There's a lot of oomph to that.
Did it drag?
Yeah.
Oh, the Manny. Oh!
Primo body.
Mowgli, this lens is sick. All right,
Three
I think
stair? Five
Nigel's
stair?
got the three. I believe in you.
Oh, easy.
Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, that's so scary.
Go ahead, nollie big it.
You know what? Like, I think almost everything we've skated, I'm like, okay, like this, like I know how to skate this. I have no idea how you kickflip this. Like, I feel like I'm gonna get impaled.
He's like, I have no idea how to skate. Oh! I'm just gonna do an ollie with a monster in my hand, and I wasn't talking about the inner string.
Oh, let's go.
Okay, all right.
Venmo on the line.
Hey, you don't have to Venmo me. $8? That's gonna pay for my burrito. That's okay.
Oh! Wow!
That boy.
Dude, that was amazing. He thought he was off the hook.
No, I believed in him. The way he rolled away.
It wouldn't be that bad. I mean, if you landed on this full force, what do you think?
Yeah, it's going all the way through.
No, it's not. Just like it went through that box, it wouldn't really go anywhere. Go ahead, Mugly. You good.
Just instead of sparking on the concrete, it would spark on your on your large
On your
intestine.
spine.
Yeah.
Mowgli, if you get Pitchfork Office, I'll Venmo you $3.
That's a solid roll up right there.
I know, I gotta know which side. There's different sides. Like sometimes I'll be feeling this side, this side, or right here. So I gotta roll up a few times.
You heard it from the man himself.
I just wanna say, today's video, the lesson is from holes. You know, there might be some old stuff from families like heritage and like things. So make your family proud and fix those things.
It's true. Give him a call. Give him a call and let him know. Yeah, I'm serious. Well, I don't know why you're laughing. Call your mom. Say, Mom, just want to let you know I love you.
Oh!
What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I said, I'm going to kickflip this. Mowgli's going to do the 3-block. I could just predict the future. You know what we need to do, though, at least once, is the mini ramp. We need to mini ramp this thing.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
And we have the world's first credit card.
Oh, scary.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh! Let's go! Air 5. That was amazing.
We're having tons of fun skating all these crazy objects. What should we skate next? You guys leave it in the comments below. We love each and every one of you. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, it's time to learn how to skateboard. You're gonna have a blast. Get a skateboard at brailleskateboarding.com. Let's go.